You want me to scare her your way?
Simon's a boy, Valerie.
I wish I could whistle.
He's like, what the heck?
Go that way. Go to Georgia. Go, Simon.
I got Sophia.
Well, put her in the cage before she gets away.
Do you want me to get her?
We need to poke him with something.
Mom, do you need George's help?
No, I got it.
Come on, Simon.
All right.
Come here, kid. Come here. As long as you get some money, right?
Well, should I move? Maybe he'll come out.
There he is.
Come here, baby. Come on.
Oh, see, good job, Georgia.
Come on. You guys stay there. Come on.
All right, I've spent my time on the floor for today.
Come on. Simon.
Totally
come here,
putting this
baby.
on you,
Come
too.
on.
Of course you are.
Valerie, you're supposed to stay here.
Why?
Get your ass back here so she can catch Simon. Because she's so fast.
Oh, no, that ain't gonna work.
Here, I can get him, Mom. It's okay, Sophia.
She's pretty.
She's so tiny and cute, and she's very
Got it?
sweet.
Okay.
Or George.
Here, I'll
Good
put him
job,
in
Georgia.
so she doesn't run away.
Well, hi, Simon.
Oh, watch out for him because he's
Open
gonna.
this way, hurry.
There we go.
Cats have been caught.
Hot damn, that was easier than I thought. All right. You need
Yeah.